Do you know many people are having trouble mastering their KitchenAid stove panel? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select mode. Press the desired cooking mode button on the panel to select the function. Step 2. Set temperature. Adjust the temperature using the control buttons to set the perfect heat level. Step 3. Start preheat. Press the Start button to begin preheating the oven. Step 4. Ignite burner. Turn the cooktop knob to ignite for burner use. Adjust as needed. Step 5. Turn off. After cooking, press off or turn knobs to extinguish flames. With these steps, you should now be able to navigate your KitchenAid stove panel confidently and effectively. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other KitchenAid users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.